Hello powerful galactic beings, welcome back to another video. The natural state of the soul is to exist in peace and light. The darkness caused by offensive thoughts and melancholic feelings is suffocating the spirit and enfeebling it. The travails of a soul are indeed strenuous. The soul is yearning to break free from the dark layers of dross and spiritual poisons which bear heavy upon it. And when the soul is restless, you experience emotional and mental disorders such as mood swings, lethargy, irritation, depression, listlessness, and so on. Your soul is calling out to you for help, but its plaintive cries of supplication are drowned by the loud, raucous, incessant demands of the ego. A crippled soul is a hindrance to your spiritual progress. It is unable to complete its divine mission on earth. It is therefore imperative to restore and strengthen your soul. There are several ways by which you can heal and fortify your soul to perfect health. Given below are the 11 simple ways to heal and strengthen your soul. Number 1. Befriend your ordeals. All life situations contribute towards the perfection and purification of the soul. Your ordeals are like the fire which steels your spirit and conditions it against the ill winds that blow your way. Your hardships are simply conditioning your spirit to be hardy and strong. On the other hand, a hardy soul is a free-spirited soul, unafraid of all that is thrown at it as it marches onward to reach its ultimate destiny. Problems cannot destroy you until you give them permission to do so. Therefore, befriend your ordeals with peaceful acceptance, and your soul will be hardier and happier for it. Number 2. Aura cleansing. It must be understood that all diseases are the result of etheric impurities, negative implants, and negative elementals attached to your being. Negative imprints are usually the remnants of the past life or childhood traumas. Ask your spirit guides and masters to remove all etheric debris and negative imprints sent by malevolent people out of hatred and anger from your energy field. The negative thought forms are clairvoyantly discerned as arrows, needles, spikes, or bullets. As long as they are stuck in your auric field, they will continue to sabotage your chances of enjoying a wholesome life. Request the divine beings of light to sever any etheric cords with people who are draining you. Ask them to remove all the unwanted entities, which are not of the highest order, attached to your etheric body, and to shield you in the protection of white light. Number 3. Optimism. Perceive life through the lens of optimism. Optimism is a ray of sunlight which nurtures and ennobles your thoughts, feelings, and actions. Like the sunshine, its light radiates out into the world and brightens up the days of all whom you meet. Positivity is the tonic that empowers your soul and gives it the impetus to overcome all impediments that block your way to success and well-being. It is a veritable weapon against the onslaughts of life. As long as your soul is centered in the light, no shadows of misfortune can befall upon it. Number 4. Early to bed, early to rise. Nothing can be more spiritual than rising with the sunrise and receiving the first kiss of the sun rays to gladden your soul. Bathing in the powerful energy of the rising sun is a propitious experience. It enlivens your soul and fills your day with the bountiful energies of joy and gladness. Going to bed early is just as important. Your body is depleted after a hard day's work and needs to recharge itself for a good 8 to 10 hours. The body uses the precious sleeping hours to heal and rejuvenate itself. And while the body is renewing itself, the spirit takes the opportunity to take its much-needed break. All day long your soul is encaged in the physical body, suppressed under the weight of your worldly tasks and responsibilities. Then, when your body rests in deep slumber, the soul slips out of its earthly confines and liberates itself to enjoy a few blessed hours of its nocturnal escapades. A good 8 to 10 hours of sleep does wonders to your body, mind, and soul. You wake up feeling fresh and wonderful, ready to take on the world with renewed force and good cheer. Number 5. Magnetise your food. Food prepared by people with a bad temperament is laden with the etheric toxic substances of the worst kind which cripple your soul and adversely affect your health. Prepare your meals with positive thoughts. Chant mantras or sing happy songs while cooking or handling your food. The happiness that you emit enters into your food and enhances its taste and nutritional value. A short prayer recited before and after your meals can help neutralize the ill effects of the negative energies. At the same time, increase the nutritional value of your food. Food, thus magnified, nourishes not just your body but your spirit as well. Number 6. Divine knowledge. The light of spiritual knowledge rents the veil of illusion and throws open the door to higher reality. An illumined mind is not daunted by superstitions and erroneous beliefs of spiritual ignorance, which intend to imprison man in eternal fear and anticipation of the unknown. Knowledge expands and prepares the mind to receive the higher truths with greater clarity and understanding. In the light of knowledge, life is no longer a mystery, but a revelation. Wisdom is the progeny of knowledge, and together they serve as pillars of great support to the soul to endure its travails with peace, confidence, and courage. Knowledge is a veritable beacon of light, guiding the lost souls back on track in their journey to the light. Number 7. Purification. The spiritual and the physical bodies complement each other. The layers of bodies in which the self is encased are interpenetrating each other, so whatever affects one, affects the other. Foul language, impure foods, and indisciplined lifestyle build up a coarse energy field and breed parasites that corrode your spirit. You can develop a strong and healthy spirit by practicing the virtues of truth, tolerance, and peace in everyday life. Refine your speech with words of eloquence and grace, partake of pure, life foods, and live with peace and brotherhood. As you increase the pure substances in your being, you are creating a strong, invincible spirit that is empowered to drive away all impure elements from its environs that would feign to intrude the sanitized body, thereby safeguarding its health, purity, and sanctity. Number 8. Workouts and yoga. A human being is a creation of a body-mind-spirit complex in its entirety. Each facet of your being, the physical, astral, mental, and spiritual, is interconnected and interdependent for greater health and well-being. Workouts and physical exercises help to promote the healthy circulation of pranic energy while flushing out the toxins and other impurities from the body. The benefits of exercising daily are manifold: promotes flexibility, develops strong muscles, invigorates your entire being, and promotes a general well-being which enhances your personality and dynamism. When the body is healthy, fit, and fine, the spirit likewise enjoys robust health. A robust body makes a robust soul. Number 9. Love your inner child. The little child within your heart is often neglected and languishing for a bit of love and compassion. Each time you beat yourself up with sadness, guilt, shame, and blame, you are flogging the fragile child within you. It is high time you let go of your woes and looked within. You will see the self starving of some nurturance, it is pleading for some respite. Be gentle to your soul. Stop self-abuse and tend it to your inner self. Your responsibility is to love your inner child and to give your undivided attention to it. Visit this child daily with sweet gifts of kindness and compassion. Play with it in the garden of abundance and watch how it frolics in the sunshine of happiness, amidst the brightly colored flowers of beauty and love. Number 10. Be neutral. Stop internalizing people's grouses and egocentric behavior towards you. Their anger vented out to you is the result of their own internal problems. These ones live with their ego large at the helm, and therefore at the slightest opportunity they are ready to retaliate with their malevolent intent. Know that it is nothing personal. Your happy-go-lucky attitude thwarts their pleasure to see you unhappy. Take a neutral stand in the face of any adversity. Your impassive approach to the vicious emotional attacks will safeguard your soul's welfare. Peace is the healing energy which restores and fortifies your soul. Peace and tranquility is the natural state of a soul. Number 11. Be still. Practice stillness by meditating on your inner self. In this profound stillness, the mind harmonizes with the spirit and falls into a deep restive state of beingness. As the light of God filters into this sacred space, the gross layers of unruly thoughts, emotions, and wrong desires, which oppress the spirit, begin to dissipate. And like the phoenix, your soul rises gracefully to the surface in all buoyancy to thrive in the eternal glory of the cosmic light. I hope this video was really helpful. See you in the next video. Peace, love, and life.